students, yesterday we have studied the chapter 1, the man who robbed the bank, and we have studied there Nagu the super boy is working at the bank of St. Govind Grams. It is a very small bank and he had not paid for 2 months and he is in search of a new job. Now the next page number 2, we have studied today. Sitaram, glad that he had been to help to both customer and his friend. Now he explained, the author explained that Sitaram became happy as he helped both the customers and his friend. The friend one, the woman who at the 4th house, and customer here. Hoisting his bag on his shoulder and went to his way. Now he put his bag of clothes on his shoulder and went. Soon after, Mrs. Prakash set out for the bazaar to make her usual afternoon tour to the cloth shop. As Mrs. Prakash, she usually go to the bazaar at a cloth shop. She went there. A large shady tamarind tree grew near the clock tower. It is clear that near the clock tower there is a tamarind tree. Tamarind tree is a imlica tree. It was here that she found her friend. Where she met her friend Mrs. Bhushan, sheltering from the heat. It is clear above that it is afternoon, so there is excessive heat. To escape from the heat, they were sheltered. Do you know, my dear Mrs. Prakash says that St. Govind Ram's bank can't even pay its employees. Now, Mrs. Prakash said to Mrs. Bhushan, do you know that St. Govind Ram bank didn't pay its employees? Only this morning, I heard a complaint from their sweeper boy who hasn't received his pay for 2 months. Now she explained her that this morning I heard from the sweeper boy that he had not paid for 2 months. It is disgraceful, exclaimed Mrs. Bhushan. Mrs. Bhushan exclaimed with sorrow or sadness that it is unacceptable or it is bad. ये तो unacceptable है. If they can't pay the sweeper boy, they must be in a bad way. None of the others can be getting paid either. Now she put the condition there. If they don't pay the sweeper boy, it means they had not paid to the others also, or they are in bad condition. They have not money. Mrs. Bhushan left Mrs. Prakash at the tamarind tree and went in search of her husband. Now Mrs. Bhushan left her there and went in search of her husband, whose husband was sitting under the Jugal Kishore's electrical goods shop, talking with the owner, and he was talking with the owner of the shop. So there you are. तो तुम यहाँ हो. Cried Mrs. Bhushan. Mrs. Bhushan चिल्लाई. I have been looking for you for nearly an hour. I am searching you nearly for an hour. 1 घंटे से ढूंढ रही हूँ. I don't know what's happening to this town. Now she said to her that I don't know what was happening in the town. Did you know the bank is going to bankrupt? क्या तुम जानते हो कि बैंक जो है वो बैंकक्रप्ट हो रहा है? इट मीन्स बैंकक्रप्ट इज अ टर्म. दिवालिया, बैंक के लिए बोला जाता है दिवालिया. और बैंकक्रप्ट क्या है? दैट हैव नॉट इनफ मनी टू पे विच दे हैड बोरोड फ्रॉम द अदर्स. वो पैसा जो उन्होंने लिया है वो उन्हें वापस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. व्हाट डिड यू से? तुम क्या कह रही हो? सेड मिस्टर जुगल किशोर सिटिंग अप सडनली. अचानक से उठते हुए ही सेड, what are you saying? Which bank? Which bank is going to bankrupt. Why? Said Govind Ram Bank, of course. Certainly, said Govind Ram Bank. I hear they have stopped paying their employees. I heard that they had not paid their employees. No salary for over 3 months. They have not gave their salary for 3 months. Now here exaggeration is used. Exaggeration is a literary term. जब कोई बात हम छोटी हो उसे बढ़ा करके बोलते हैं, that is exaggeration. Above, she heard that they have not paid for 2 months, but she added 1 month with it and said that they have not paid for 3 months. No, but my neighbor has. Now, why? Don't tell me you have an account with them, Mr. Kishore. Now, he said to Mr. Kishore, don't tell me that you have an account there. अब ये मत कहना तुम्हारा अकाउंट कहाँ पर है. No, but my neighbor has, he said. He, Mr. Jugal Kishore. Mr. Jugal Kishore said, no, I have no account there, but my neighbor has. He called out to the keeper of the barber shop next door, Faiz Hussain, and he called out to the person, Faiz Hussain, who was working to the next shop. Have you heard the latest? Have you heard the latest news? Said Govind Ram Bank is about to collapse. Said Govind Ram Bank is going to ruin. Said Govind Ram का बैंक जो है वो फेल हो रहा है और collapse हो रहा है. You had better take your money from while there is still time. If you have an account there, you have withdraw all your money because it has still time. वो कह रहे हैं अगर तुम्हारा अकाउंट वहां पर है, then you withdraw all money. अपना पैसा निकाल लो, अभी तो टाइम है. Faiz Hussain, who was cutting the hair of an elderly gentleman. Faiz Hussain, who was working there and cut the hair of an old man, was so startled. He was startled means surprised. He was surprised that his hand shook. He was so surprised that his hand shook. उसका hand जो है वो हिलने लगा. And he licked his customer's right ear. And he licked the hair of the old man's right ear. The customers yelled with pain. Now the customer whose hair cut wrongly yelled, cried with pain and distress. Distress means feeling unhappy. Pain, he felt pain because of the cut. Because of the cut, Faiz Hussain cut there. And distress, and he felt distress because of the awful news he had heard. Because of the news he had heard about the bank. With one side of his neck still unshorn. It is clear here the one side of the old man's hair is not cut still. अभी तक नहीं कटे थे उसकी तरफ के बाद. He yipped out of his chair. He yipped out, jumped out suddenly. He jumped out suddenly from his chair and spat across the road to a general store. And he spat across the road near the general store where there was a telephone, where he dialed the telephone number. Thank you. Now today's homework is you have to write down the word meaning of these difficult words. Okay? Thank you.